nandito na. Come Northwest. Come Southwest. Mount up. Saan sila? Come Southwest. Where are they at right now?
Sa west sila, sa west. Ikot si west mo. Dismounted west, northwest. Northwest mo.
Okay. Dismount on me.
Yung melee nila si Sankay Melee bomb nila si Sankay.
Get ready Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Back now.
Looking si Sankay
Sige.
Careful. Looking
Left. Yo, Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Gago, wala na kayong siege bomb, Silva. Left. Heal me. Come southeast. Hold. How many percent? Hold. Hold. Come southwest na. Patay agad sila, Silva. Come southeast. Gago, wala ka nang gagawin dyan, pre. Mag-fix roll ka na. Mag-ano ka na, change roll ka na.
Bakit nalugad na ano nila? Stage bow nila?
Aggressive kayo sila.
Sankay looking to the wall.
Hold guys, hold.
Careful looking sa wall si Sankay.
Gago, namatayan pa rin tayo dyan.
Nagsabi na ako, looking sa wall.
Ubusin. Come southwest guys, come southwest. Kayo na lang mag-bait ng defensive Silva, wala na kayong damage. Come south. Look north here. Two northwest. Come northwest. Take the gate. Yo, come back.
42-39 yung gate. Basag na. Mga
Hold there.
pabasag na 19.
Hold.
Sankay nasa
Wait.
east gate. East.
Yo,
wall.
Grady help on the northeast. Okay, Grady demon with us. Northeast Grady in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Left now. Left.
Nasa north mo na si Sankay, okay. Yung main
Hold. Hold.
Sino ba parang
Hold.
na-over na ni ba?
Hold. Okay, hold. Just hold. Come southwest. Hold. Guys, I need some detanks. The 2 chokes, guys, please. Hold. Wala kaming gagawin dito, pre.
Tapon northwest mo.
Engage mo.
Northeast mo si Sankay.
Come southwest.
Northwest do tapon.
Wait, come northwest. Look northeast gate. There din 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Gago, patay tayo.
GG.
Wala na ako dyan. Demon, Mela, every time mag-engage kami, Mela, mag-drop ka, pre. Wala kami defensive, sabi niya patay na caller. Tanginang yan.
Color dead.
Huwag kayo masyadong aggressive, Silva. Sobrang ano ng demon na yan nila. Alam na nila agad.
Nakamark na yung dalawang color sa akin ko. Yung Dotapon, tsaka yung ano.
Yan sa kay Silva. Payo kayong kuhan niya. Ato siya ni-engage. Una.
Nakalock na yun si, ano eh. Si...
Sige, sige guys, go, go, go. Rigir fast guys. Go back, go back, go back.
Trigger fast guys kasi Sunset tsaka ano, nag-away. Black. Ata.
Rigir fast.
Okay, come southwest guys, come southwest. Gago na ang Sunset kay ni third party kay. Come southwest.
Sige lang,
guys,
ato ganin mo sa Lord Room ganin, no?
Hold in the Lord Drum guys, hold.
Lord
Quick
Room,
game
Lord
ko.
Room. Sira ulo talaga yung color ng Sunset, okay? Yung third party nila, pati black, gusto nila ata umalis sa
Pati
picture, ah.
Yung gawa ng Sunset. Gago.
Gago, wala tayong chance dun sa mga demon na yon, pre. Gago, kahit anong i-demon mo, 3 demon sila na rotation. Sobrang ganda ng comp.
Maganda
Gago,
din
dito
yung
si Buddies.
Arcan.
Grabe yung headbutt nila. Yo, may demon armors. I need demon armors when we engage and we disengage, please. Can you try to fix it?
Ay, kilala nyo itong Uncle Yawa. Nagagank natin to, Janice eh.
Oh, yan yung ano.
Guys. Lumiapat yun sa rat eh. Sante. Ipakap ni Sangkay balik eh.
Oh, guys, get out. Oh. Guys, bring hammer, guys, please. Except if you have hammer. Bring hammer. Only 3? Go get hammer. Wala tayong babang, pre. Ganon din yun, tangina. Putang ina, hindi ko in-exec ganito sila kalakas, pre. Come to me.
Yung, ano ba yun? Si...
Grabe, tanan engage na to na demon.
Nya, og na pag imubam